Niman Hao, welcome to GoGo Chinese class. In today's video, we are going to learn how to say different feelings in Chinese language. Different feelings in Chinese language. Okay, let's start. 我们开始吧. The Chinese word for feelings is 感觉. Kan, third tone. 觉, second tone. 感觉. Now you say it. 感觉. Happy. 高兴. 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 Now you say it. 高兴. To say shy in Chinese, the word is 害羞. 害 fourth tone, 羞 first tone. 害羞. Now you say it. 害羞. 她很害羞. She is very shy. To say excited in Chinese, the word is 兴奋. 兴 first tone, 奋 fourth tone. 兴奋. Now you speak. Yes, 兴奋. To say proud in Chinese, the word is 骄傲. 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 Angry. 生气. 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 Now you speak it. Yes, 生气. To say someone is sad, 难过. 难过. 她很难过. She is very sad. 难过. Now you say it. 难过. Surprised. 惊讶. 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 Now you say it. 惊讶. Grieved. 伤心. 伤心. Now you speak. 伤心. To say exhausted, the word in Chinese is 疲惫. 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 Now you speak. Yes, 疲惫. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If there is any problem or you want to ask some question, feel free to ask and stay tuned for the next videos. Till then, bye.